Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Dylan, giving you guys some more critical Shiba news updates. So if you're interested and you are part of the Shiba army, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, really help me out. But let's jump right into the news. Let's start off today's news segment with more people promoting Shiba. We do see that Fox Business has also posted Shiba on their TV program. We see here they put 24-hour change up 21% and the 30-day change, that 2000+% for the Shiba army and the Shiba token. So this is very cool to see. Remember, this is a community coin, so the more people that hear about it, the more word of mouth spreads, the higher the amount of holders are going to be for this coin. And right now we actually are seeing an increase of holders for the Shiba army as well. If we take a look here with the holder statistics, we have now almost a total of 400,000 holders, up from the last couple of weeks where it was around 300. Now it's up to 400,000 almost. So this is good to see. We're seeing more people talk about it in the news. We also see a lot of people retweeting and tweeting that they are showing their support for the Shiba army, like these people right here. Like Kai Green here. If you don't know him, he is a professional bodybuilder. He has 300,000 followers. He has been posting nonstop about the Shiba gang, Shiba army. He has been posting here every like 15 minutes. There's a bunch of memes with him and the Shiba token. He has been supporting the Shiba token so much lately, blasting off. He even posted this tweet right here, writing, "Guys, I'm about to post my IG with 6.5 million followers Shiba. I need y'all to comment and be ready. Comment King Kai or Shiba army or whichever. And let's get this tweet to 1,000 retweets." And I'm blasting off with this post. So remember, it's a community coin. So the more people that hear about it, the more holders there will be, the less fluctuation we'll see in the price, and the more we will see this coin go up in the near future. Because right now the market cap is still around $4 billion. So there is still plenty of room to grow. Dogecoin is around $60 billion. So even if we get half the market cap of Doge, that will still move the price up around 9 times its total price right now. So a 900% move from here if we even get 1/2 of the total market cap. So this is crazy to see here. We're getting more and more people trying to promote this coin. We even see LG Alanowitz here, a professional gamer, content creation for Luminosity and G Fuel Energy, and he's also posting about Shiba to Memorial Day weekend. I'm going to get the keys with my boys, and we're going to be spreading the good word about Shiba army. We won't leave out all our babies. And he's talking about the other dog coins, the Inu coins, the Kishu, the Husky, Poodle, and Pika. And he also has 21,000 followers. So this is going to be crazy. We're going to be seeing a huge spike increase soon. Let's look at some other news as well. We also see here PLAYCENT has partnered up with the Shiba Inu token to add more utility to the Shiba token. So we see that Shiba is getting more and more validity with a bunch of new platforms, adding them to their exchanges and also adding them to their development team. Here we do see that we are thrilled to announce we have integrated the SHIB token to our DApp platform. We will develop payments infrastructure to bring additional utility for SHIB, so giving more purpose to SHIB and for users to spend. And PLAYCENT, if you don't know what it is, they are, if you can see right here, a decentralized Wix for dApps, games, NFTs, which is very important because NFTs are super hot right now, and social tokens. So they are adding this social token, one of the biggest ones so far, Shiba Inu, that's still trending on CoinMarketCap. As you can see here, if we look down most visited, Shiba Inu is still #1 with SafeMoon next, and then third is Bitcoin. Dogecoin here at 4th place. So we do see Shiba Inu still being one of the most visited coins on CoinMarketCap. News and the buzz around this coin is still going. I think it just started here to begin with. So a lot of important stuff coming up. Now let's look into some Robinhood news as well. So as you can see here, we do have an iPetitions page for Shiba onto Robinhood. We already have almost 2,000 signers, and we have a lot of comments right here. So we want to all make this happen. So there's a big push to add Shiba onto these major exchanges. And if you haven't heard of Robinhood, then let's look at how many users are actually on Robinhood, because there's a lot. There has been an increase of Robinhood users, especially during quarantine, with a lot of people learning about stocks and crypto and how to invest. We have seen Robinhood's user base explode. So as you can see here, in the year 2017, they started off with just 2 million users. Next, 2018, they tripled that, 6 million, to right now. From the beginning, they have almost 6x their user base with 13 million users now in 2020. So this is just a crazy amount of users here. So if even 1/10, 10% of their user database starts holding SHIB and they add this crypto to their platform, that's 130,000 holders of the Shiba Inu coin that have been added by just Robinhood alone, and just 10%, not even 20%. But this is crazy news to see here that we are having petitions being made to push the Robinhood app to add Shiba Inu coin. And this has happened before. We have seen a lot of people petition to add coins, and that's why we saw Binance adding the coin. We saw Crypto.com adding the Shiba token. So it's only a matter of time before Coinbase and Robinhood and other big exchanges like Kraken add this to their portfolio, to their exchange. So this is great to see here too. A lot of people pushing for it, almost 2,000 signers here. So if you're interested in signing up for the petition here, I'm gonna leave the link in the bio. Remember, if you're enjoying this content, you find it informative, remember, hit that like button. It really helps me out a lot, and it helps this video push out to more people. And if you don't want to miss out on any important updates, remember to hit that bell icon, subscribe to the channel. It would really appreciate it. But now let's look at the charts and see where we can see the Shiba token going in the near future. Almost forgot this other important news that just came out right now. We do have Vitalik actually sending the rest of his Shiba tokens from his cold wallet to this wallet right here. We have 46 trillion Shiba tokens here outflow. And if we click on this, let's take a look a little bit at this transfer. This was worth almost $1 billion here, $727 million to this wallet from Vitalik. So he just gave the rest of his token, that 5% away, to this wallet right here. So I'm going to be updating you on exactly what this means later on. So stay tuned. Remember, hit that like button and subscribe. But now let's jump back into the price. Okay, at the time of this recording, Shiba token is worth 0.0000015 cents here. And we have seen a huge decrease in the volatility. We actually are starting to see the price go between these two areas of support and resistance. These support and resistance boxes here I drew days ago, and it's still being respected to this day. If I just pull this out a little bit more, we see that we got an exact wick touch to this top level here, and then a rejection back to this price. We are still below these two moving averages, the 21 and the 50 moving averages, the yellow and the orange line, and we have seen the price fluctuate between these 2 points right here. So my best bet is here that we're going to be keeping this momentum here. We have to break this downwards decreasing right here resistance where we were seeing the price touch but not actually go above this point. We are seeing this price coming back down. I do see a retest of this area at the 0.5 level till we see another move to the upside. We get more volume, because right now, look, we see our volume is decreasing, so we're going to see a move coming very soon. We are seeing the RSI wick down, but we could see a bounce back up to trade in these higher ranges here. And we do also see that it is still being pushed under these moving averages. We did have a slight bear cross here, but it's not too significant because there are not clear divergences between these two lines. So we are seeing the price stay below this line right here. But once we start making our way up above these two moving averages and moving up here to as this support, we can continue our move all the way up to previous all-time highs. So we are still looking at, from our price right now to our next resistance, a 21% move to the upside, then to our next resistance at this next resistance box right here. That's a 55% move. And then all the way back up here to all-time highs, where we will find more resistance, is 100% move here to the upside. So this is crazy to see here. We are seeing the price stabilize. We're seeing more holders, less sellers here. We're finding a lot of buyers here after the news yesterday that Vitalik did burn a lot of his coins the last coming days. So we are seeing more people buying. We're seeing more people talk about the coin. So this is great news here to see. And we are starting to get more confirmation of this as support, because we're seeing the 200-day moving average, this red line, starting to come up here and add extra support to the price action. So if we do fall right here, this would be a great opportunity to buy, not financial advice, but then we can make our next leg up here, just like how it was a great opportunity to buy right here. From here, and if you would have sold here at the top, we would have found here, let's look at that move. That was an 88% move to the upside from the previous low to this previous all-time high. So that's a crazy move right here. Shiba still has some power left in it. So let's also look at LEASH as well, because that one actually is looking a little bit more bullish here. It's actually forming a huge pattern that's about to break out. Let's look at that right now. So we do see this huge symmetrical triangle actually forming for the price of the LEASH token. Remember, the LEASH token is more scarce. It's only 100,000 tokens, so way less in supply than the Shiba token, which has trillions in supply. This has 100,000 only. So we do see the price here boom, 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 support and resistance coming back down to retest this support most likely, then to retest this resistance here. But we see this huge symmetrical triangle breakout. Let's measure that move from top to bottom right here. Where could we see the price going? If we make this breakout right here in this area, we could see a potential, let's measure this move, 74% move from this breakout target right here. And if we do get a break to the downside, we could see breaking down here and retesting this area of support back down here, and then also this area of support here at the 0.5 of an ether, and here 0.75 of Ethereum. And we do see that we are starting to go here in a downtrend, but if we break back up on this middle part of the RSI, we can start making our move to hit that 75% price target to the upside. We are facing major resistance from this resistance box, like we saw here time and time again. So this is my price targets for Dogekiller, the LEASH token, and the Shiba token. If you found this informative, remember to hit that like button. Let's spread this out to more people. And I appreciate all the people that have subscribed recently. Getting 1,000 subscribers in the last couple of days is such a great feeling, and I'm so glad that you guys are supporting the channel and liking these videos. It really means a lot to me, especially because I am doing this full time now, and your support is just so welcome. Thank you so much here. But that is it for this video. Peace out.